So for this question, write it down. I would like you to write out the equations again. See if you can make the system of linear equations for this. And then you can use guess and check or whatever technique you would like. If you want to try that graphing calculator one as well, you can. And see if you can find out how many cans and how many bottles were brought in. How about variables? How many people used C and B? Excellent. C for cans and B for bottles. Did you write out your first equation as cans plus bottles equals 2,000? That was the easier equation of the two. Now, if you raised $140 and cans are 5 cents and bottles are 10 cents, how do we write that as an equation? $0.05C, because you get 5 cents for every can, plus I'm going to write 10. You wouldn't have to write the 10, but since we're thinking of 10 cents, does that make sense that I'll write 0.10 just to have that there? B, and that whole thing has to add up to $140. So those are our two equations. I'm going to set up a chart. Can someone tell me something that didn't work? 1,000 and 1,000. Good start. How much did you get if you had made 150 bucks? Pretty close though. Did someone try one that didn't work that was closer to $140? You got $145? 1,100 cans and 900 bottles. Gets closer, right? It makes sense that you would, if you need less money, you'd have to take away from the bottles and get more cans. Good. Someone in their guessing and checking find one that worked. Went down by $5 when you took off 100 and took off 100. So if we did that again, it should go down $5 again, right? So let's check it. So if we got 800 bottles and 1,200 cans, does that make 140? Excellent. So not too bad. You know, the guessing and checking, like I said, finding one that doesn't work often gives you hints for finding the one that will work. Problem. We should state there were 1,200 cans and 800 bottles. So we should have that final sentence there.